我的灵魂不会讲故事，它不懂道理。我的灵魂里面全是记忆，不懂防御。我的灵魂不会欺骗，根本无需表演。My soul's blue, I know you can see。夜晚的每个时候，你总要带我走，来到这片喧嚣之中，逆水行舟。不用我的耳朵也能听到有人演奏，打碎那些反面，将我的灵魂解救。我曾经想要保护你与我的回声共度起舞，穿越相互记忆，同归殊途。开始就像一个标题，结局是个谜底，你我都不理解。原来天平已经倾斜，你寻找一束花朵，我给你我的承诺。我踏上我的旅途，而你选择了经过。你只是想要轻松是吗？我不懂。你寻找一个情人，而我给你我的灵魂。Farewell， 一直重复一个梦，有个场景浮现一遍一遍。终于有一天，一个男人出现在你眼前，走来来到你的身边，趴在你的耳边对你说：嗨，我认得，我全都记着。我们曾经见过，我知道我不会把你忘了。那个时候你很年轻，你很美，那个时候除了时间，谁都没有机会。现在你的面容苍白，我特地跑来，就是为了告诉你，你比那个时候更美丽，我更喜欢你。现在备受时间摧残而改变的容颜，或许。
Hello, hello. How is everybody doing? Cool. Alright, it's been a long time I didn't make it to stream, so I feel refreshed. So let's start. Let's go. Okay, so here we are in Henry. So what are we gonna do today? Today I want to still in the same idea of making the first game loop of the game. I want to work a little bit and try to think a little bit on the game design for the hub, which is this map here. So I want to oh, why is it so slow? Oh boy, that is really slow. Is it because it's still working on something? Ah, now it seems like it's better. Okay. Okay, so this is the hub for the game. And hey Neosoft, Kiku, how you doing, man? So I want to add a little bit more of prototype gameplay in this area, and mainly the I want to start to think a little bit more on what I can do to what would be the click to have the guest giving you quest, and how do you get quest actually. So that would be that would be my objective here. So I think today is gonna be pretty much it's gonna be mostly some I'm gonna be mostly working into a game design document. Oops, wait a minute. So that's what I'm gonna do. So it's gonna be a brainstorm stream today, I think. All right, so here is my GDD, so my game design document. We got the gameplay, the game structure, and the game caravans here, right? So that's the okay, I'm just realizing that everything is in French. I should have put that in. If I knew I would have been doing stream, I would have started in English. But yeah, it's fine. Okay. So I think I'm gonna create a blank page, just a draft, and I'm gonna start just putting random ideas on how I want things to start to work, and then we will refine those ideas and try to keep the good one, dump the bad one. So I'm gonna call this hub mission hub game loop. Let's go with this. Alright, so let's go. I'm just gonna type just the random idea that's come into my brain without trying to judge them. It's not the time for this. So what I have in mind is my mic on? Yeah, okay. So what I have in mind is the guests are the one that issues the mission to the player. So the mission is gonna depend on the guest. We could say that the happiness of a guest depends on the success of the mission. Not the happiness, but the satisfaction. Yeah, all right, and then one of the question would be, what's the point to have a guest satisfied? So what would we gain from this? Why we would want to have our guest satisfied? What does it give us to us? Alright, so I also want to know how a guest would issue you a mission. So how he would do that. Maybe you would have to have a little conversation when he's chilling at your place. So there could be like a nested mission where a guest would stay a couple of days and would issue you a new mission if you succeeded the previous one. Alright, so what do we want to do? top mission for each guest. Okay, we could also do something like the reward depends on the satisfaction of your guest. That could be something like the more satisfied the guest is at your place, the better the reward is gonna be for each mission. So now the question, what would be the question here? So what would be the what would be the loop? Okay, so let's think about the loop. So first, the guests and approach the guest house entry. You negotiate. How do you say that in English? You bend your no. Banter? What does it mean? Plaisanter? No. Bargain. Negotiate. Okay. You bargain. Okay, so you're gonna bargain with him for the price of the room. And so what do you want? So what need would be? What would be all the needs that a guest could have? So you could go cooking a nice dish for your guests that please him. So you're gonna have to know a little bit of what's it's the what does he like, what does he don't like. So during the his rest time. Okay, we could. So I'm not sure about this one, but let's try this. So it could be like we could have different way to unlock the mission, ensuing to the character. So several different way to unlock mission from a guest. You could just talk to the guest when he's wandering into your guest house, but it's just squatters showing up to parasitize you. But it's just squatters showing up, parasitize you. What do you mean? Oh, you mean c'est juste des squatters qui viennent pour te parler. Ouais, ok. Oui et non, c'est des squatters mais qui te payent à la fin. Donc monnaie. Non, on fait pas ça gratuitement. Du service, oui, mais du service rentable. C'est ouais, c'est go le capitalisme. You could just talk to the okay, so we could just talk to the guest when he's wandering in your guests in your house. So like when you're done with the chores, when you did everything, you could just you know, taper la discute. Puis that could be a good way to also make sure that the that could be a good way to maybe develop the law. Could be a good time to develop the law of this world. Like talking with people, that would be how you you learn more about where they are coming from, what's their country is like, what's their accent and costume. That would be interesting. Like it would be information that's not needed for the game. Like there's no gameplay utility for that, but it's just reinforcing the feeling that they are coming from far away, and there is the place is big, and there is some interesting stuff happening outside of your house. That could be a good way to develop this, actually. Okay, so if I wanted to do this, how would I do that in terms of prototype design? So like right now I got the right now the good thing is I already have the bargaining stuff happening. So wow, I don't know why sometimes it's really here we go. Like I could be okay, so we got the bargaining, so welcome, Bing Yuan Shao, you are a diplomat. Do you want some candies? Then you want, so the need for your room is, so this guy, he wants a window in his room, he wants a spacious room with a comfy bed and to be quiet. So all I have is, I feel like the room number C would be the most the better for him. It's a spacious room, or it doesn't have a comfy bed, but there is a chair and a desk. And then we could be like, okay, let's bargain a little bit. How about this? Failure, nice. Stalemate. Success. Alright, deal. And this guy then this guy go to his room. Look. So we got this. We got the issue is the kitchen is broken for now because it's not using the right character. So right now I could just be like, in terms of prototype I could just be like yes or no. It's bypassing the gameplay actually and just giving the result. That would be a thing. Right. Okay. So if I'm going with this idea, I need to make a system where the what a guest would be wondering, you know. Okay, I'm gonna create a card for this. So create a wandering system for the guests. Okay, and I'm gonna start this right away. Okay, so let's try, let's do this. All right, so whoa. I don't know why sometimes the editor is really laggy. Okay. So do I want to reuse this blueprint here? So here is guest reach location. Okay, I think I do. I think I'm gonna reuse this this kind of thing. Probably gonna have to rename this. I just want to check what is the kind of thing that it's giving me. Guest manager. Okay, we gotta. Yeah, I need to understand how it. The UE5 is hardcore in terms of performance compared to the 4. That may explain the lot. Yeah. Yeah. I also have this. I also have this feeling that the performance. Yeah, it's understandable. You know, it's we are bumping of a generation, so I'm guessing that's a lot of things that was default in UE4 it's just now obsolete, and we need to bump up a little bit the engine. I wonder if it's really designed to develop on smartphones and I cannot use it smoothly. Yeah, but usually you don't. It's two things. It's two different things. Usually you don't you don't develop a game on smartphone. You know, you still need a good computer even if you're working on a smartphone. But then when you're compiling the game, usually that's how it works. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is... Yeah, but today is really weird. Every time I'm going back to the editor, I got like a couple of seconds of lag. That's a weird one. Okay, I'm gonna create a child from this. I'm gonna put that into his own folder. That's gonna call wandering spot. I'm gonna rename this correctly, so it's gonna be acti Pretty wandering spot. And let's try to put maybe like one here, just outside, like maybe another one here. What about one here? Okay, I'm gonna change the title to Wandering Spot. Like this, compile, let's see. So now I know. So this is just for me to know what kind of spot this is. Oh no, for smartphone. What do you mean? Oh, for smartphone? Yeah, developing for smartphone. Ah, okay, I didn't even check. That's you said on a smartphone. Yeah, okay. Even I didn't see the mistake. Yeah, I just see it, but it was so obvious that yeah, nobody is doing development on a smartphone. Could you imagine that? Damn, that would be tricky, eh? Okay, so now I want to check for my guest manager. Okay, the guest manager, how do I use this one? I already forgot how. I'm using that into the What do I put this one? In the guest bound maybe? Is it possible? No. I'm not putting that here, right? No. In the inactivity? No. No. But I don't want to develop for smartphone, it sucks too much. It was just an option. Yeah, it could be fun. It could be like you know, like a little bit more easy in a way than you know, big development for desktop. Sometimes it's good to just ease your brain with more simple projects. So I don't remember where I'm putting this. Damn, that's annoying. So this controller, where do I put this controller, man? No, so not this one, not this one. Oh, maybe in the game mode. Yeah, here we go. All right. No, it's the guest spawner, but not game manager. Time manager. Guest. Yeah, okay. It is. Damn, I really need to rename stuff a better way. All right, so we got a guest manager here. And it's spawned by the game mode. Yeah, okay, so actually it's making sense. Okay, so yeah, this one seems to be attached to nothing. Okay, I understand how it works, right? Okay, I understand. So every 5 seconds there is a new guest that's been created. Okay, cool. What could I do is maybe get actor of, okay, here we go. That's what I was looking for. So let's create a new one. Like this, and we're gonna check for all the wandering place here. So actually I'm gonna get all actors, because I don't want I just don't want one, I want several of them. Sorry. Okay, and I'm gonna put that into a variable that's gonna be called, oh boy, PP rendering spots. Cool. What is this? And actually I'm gonna make oh, I didn't do a okay. Okay, let's start again. PP wandering spots. So this way I can have all the wandering spot on my level. Okay, now I want to check the AI of the character. I think it's in the AI that's like this one. I think it's there that's controlling. Can't find a file. Okay, he's trying to check in. So he's trying to go to a location. Is incoming. What's this? Is incoming stuff. Okay, okay, so Okay, so if he's already been checking in, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put that into actually. We're gonna change this, and we're gonna change the activity. We need to create a new activity, so we're gonna find the enum activity. So it's gonna be in activities, right? We need to add a new one, and it's gonna be wandering. Cool. So now I can say, okay, when you're done checking in, so is equal to check-in. No, wait. Incoming check-in room. Wait, what is this? State. This one is key type guest behavior state. Wait a minute, how many? Ah, no, okay, I put that into the wrong enum. Yeah, let's remove this one, and actually let's put that into the enum guest behavior state. So it's gonna be either incoming, checking in, going to his room, or let's add him a new state, which would be wandering, like this. Save. So now I should be able to say, yeah, okay, you know what? Okay, so let's keep this like this. Let's copy everything. Whoop. So the wandering is the lowest priority, so I'm gonna put that at the end. And if the key value is equal to wandering, we're gonna go into this behavior tree, and we're gonna set why am I doing this? PT task guest set activity. So alright, so I'm getting the controller and I'm setting the activity into the controller. The controller is the in guest. So actually I need to do the activity stuff. Get activity. Okay, so this is I'm doing this to find it's fully occupied. Okay. Okay, so how would I do this? Okay, I need to think for this because right now I'm just it's working because it's just a single activity every time, but now I got an array, so it's gonna change a couple of things here. So I'm gonna have to modify this get activity. So do I want it to every time returning an array, or do I want it to return something depending on the situation? I think I'm gonna go with the array. Yes, let's go. Okay, we're gonna make a big change here. Return, it's gonna be an array, so the output is gonna be an array. And now you won't compile, yeah, obviously. So I'm gonna make a make array, put that here. And if the activity, so we need to add another, we actually need to add another activity. I feel like it's maybe a little bit redundant, the way that wandering spots, cool. So we got for the wandering spot, we can just directly return this like this. Okay, so let's get back to our stuff here. So everything is broken, obviously. So now we want to okay, first of all, I want to check if all of them are occupied. Right, so to do this, we're gonna do a for loop for each loop, actually. Right, actually, let me do the you don't want a no, wait a minute. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna make a sequence first. And we're gonna create a variable that's gonna be found available. How do we available spot local, and we're gonna check all of them. And this, I'm gonna put that on the side. So here's the thing: if we can find one that is not occupied, so it's false. That means one is available. So it's gonna be, we're gonna make it true. Actually, the sequence, I should do the sequence here. We're gonna do the for loop 2 times actually. So if we found one spot available, no, if we didn't find any spot available, actually, like there is none that is available, we're just gonna return, yeah, without success. But if we found one that is available, we're gonna redo again an activity. No, don't need to do a for each loop actually. We're just gonna check for the length. Yeah, we're gonna check for the length. Actually, that's something that I should have done at the beginning. Like if it's equal to 0, if it's equal to 0, we're gonna also end the task without success. So that means we didn't find any activity. Okay. And now what I can do is you know what? Let's do a local variable. It's gonna be cleaner. I think it will work if you use get all actor of class on eventing and then cast each one to its class type while the index length is true. Yeah, but I don't want to make the all actor of class on event tick because it's making the get all actors of class. It's quite expensive, and doing this on a tick, it's not the best. It's not the optimal way to do things. Okay, all right. But yeah, sometimes you have to. Yeah, it's true, eh? It would be a bad habit to do. But that's certainly one I did in this project at least once. I certainly did this at least once, you know. Okay, so I'm just gonna create a local variable that's gonna be simple. So local activities like this, and then I can just use that instead, and same thing here. I don't need to wait a minute. Where am I? Yeah, okay. Let's do the same thing. I just want a random one, random array item. Cool. And we're gonna put that here. So if there is just one inside, like the check-in or the stuff like this, random of just one item, it should be always the same one, so it should work also like this. Okay, let's compile. It does compile, so it should give me at least one activity. Even if I got a couple of, I have an array of stuff, it should give me one random into the array, or it's just giving me the one that's the unique activity. So let's try this. So first of all, let's put the activity to one ring spot. So we're gonna be able to test this. And okay, so this one is object activity. Okay, so we set up the activity into the wait, set activity. Set room activity. We put the all right, we change the activity value here, so it should update there. There, and then it should the guest should try to go to the activity. So now we need to find a way to call this one. But first of all, I just want to see if I didn't break anything, which could be a possibility. Let's see. So it seems like you are working correctly. Then you're going to the check-in. Cool. So far so good. All right, so you're waiting for me. We're doing this stuff, blah blah blah. Boom, deal. And then you're going to your room. Cool. Cool. And then the next one is coming to the check-in. All right. So at least I didn't break anything. So that's already a great news. And now let's see if I saying, okay, you know what? When the where do I already forgot where did I put that? State change. So any check-in state, okay, any incoming state, any checking state. So when do I say I already forgot? Where do I change the states? So maybe it's in the activity itself, like at the end of like when the activity is completed, close menu, reset, guest is ready, current. So into my guest object. All right, so it's in the guest object. No. Activity completed. We are calling even this task completed. Activity type. Previous task completed. Okay, that's here. It's a little bit complicated the way I'm doing this, eh? It's but yeah, it's when the check-in is done, I should put that now I want him to go to Wonder. And that should be it. Let's try to see how it's looking. So normally I'm gonna put that on a second screen. But normally what should I have is at the end of the check-in, like this, it should go to wandering state. Nope, it doesn't. Why does it pass and what does it even... It doesn't even try to check this one? Huh. What? Okay. So I'm not sure to understand why it doesn't... Okay, maybe if I... What if I'm putting this here? Okay, so here is the guy, deal, and then he's wandering. Damn, it's already working, see? He found a spot. Wait. Wait, where are you going? Ah, okay, I put the spot here. Hello. Alright. So, it's good, but I don't know why I have to put that here. Is it maybe because of the observer abort, but let me try again. This deal. Let me try known, just because I have a doubt. What? Come on, buddy. No, doesn't. Still the same thing. Why does it pass? Why is it passing this one? What am I doing differently here? I'm not sure to understand how does it. Yeah, what if I'm doing none? Yeah, bam. And it's going to the weights stuff. Why are you passing on? Try to understand that. Hmm.
以后我再也不到这儿来了。
好了，别生气了，我请你吃饭去啊。
I'm not sure to understand why is he passing this one. So it's checking this, it's checking this, it's checking this, but it's not checking this one. It's passing this one. Why are you passing this one? What the fuck? There is no about lower priority. I don't know. But if I'm doing this, it's working, so. It's weird, but it's working. Alright, so I'm gonna keep it like this for now. I don't know why it is not working, but at least we got the guy wandering around. Like, no, this guy chose this spot here. Hello. Then this guy is gonna go. Wait, where are you going? No, it's occupied. You can't go there. There was already someone there. Ah. Right, so you decided to go there, eh? Alright, so the occupied thing doesn't work. Seems like. Same spot. Hey Sonic Blue, how you doing, man? Yeah. My guests are social. It seems like they are social being that likes to hang together. You know what I like? You know what? I like the detail more. Exactly. Okay, so I need to. I think it's gonna be into my. Did I open the? No. Activity. Wondering. So if an actor begin overlap, we're gonna register. I think it is register a guest. So wait, I just want to make sure that's the good way to do this. Sorry. So if the guest reached location, that might be the one that I'm looking for. So how did I do into the wait, in check-in? Okay, so guest reach location, so that's the one. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do function. I think we're gonna find it here. Oh boy. Guest reach location. No, I want the guest reach event guest reach location. Here we go. And then we're gonna put the available. Wait, is available? No. What's the name of the? It's fully occupied. Yes. So we're gonna set is fully. Also, yeah, there is a get, but there is no the Also, I have okay, active guest. All right, so I got this. I've been smart actually. So I got a bunch of options I can put here. No, there is one that is like the guest capacity. So how many guests can go into this this spot? So by default is 1. So I can say, okay, you know what? If there is 1 guest that's coming, I can update the capacity. Yeah. You don't need an active guest? Wait a minute. Yeah, it should be enough. Let's try again. I'm doing good. I'm doing good too. How is your weekend? Boom, boom, boom. Right, so this guy is chose to go there. Right, so he's gonna wandering there. How about you? Boom, boom, boom. So you chose to go to the same place. That's gonna be an issue. Oh no, wait a minute. It's because I put no, it's going to the same place. Hello. So how about you? Did you decide to go also with your bodies? No, you don't, eh? You like to be on your own, eh? Don't want to be disturbed by those other guy, eh? I understand. Usual boring stuff. It wasn't for the F1 qualifying. If it wasn't for the F1 qualifying, what is the F? Oh, you mean the Formula One, or is it something else? So are you following the Formula One? Okay. So is it good? Honestly, I don't know much about the Formula One, to be honest. But that's the thing. I'm living in a city where the Formula is. We have a Formula One Formula One race every year. So every time it's the big activity in the city, you know. Yeah, since I was a kid. Nice. Are you living in a place where the Formula One is coming by? Like it's easy for you to once a year see a race? All right, so I'm gonna try to check like here, update capacity. No, never seen a real race. Oh damn. You should come to Montreal then. Every year we got one race. I mean, we used to have one race, but now it's starting to getting less and less. Sometimes it doesn't. Yeah, there is some talk to cancel the Formula One. But yeah, it's always cool to see the activity we have in the center of the city, you know, when there is a Formula One coming to Montreal. Okay, so I want to know. So this active guest, when do I? When I'm registering okay, so starting to get it. I'm starting to get to understand my my logic. So it's not update capacity, it's just I need to register a guest and then it's gonna update the capacity by itself. Hey. So that would be the best, that would be the way to go, I think. Alright, hello sir. Here's your room. Who's the next one? You are. Here's your room. Go wandering. Ah. Still no way. Fuck. Nope. Nope. Montreal is going to be the yeah, oh, it's pretty soon then. It's like in a couple of weeks, eh? Nice. But is it this year? Is it a interesting season for Formula One? Try again. This time we're gonna check for the Dun, dun, dun. So true, false, 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 true, true. So why is it? Huh? Oh yeah, I understand. True, true, false. Yeah, we have Verstappen that is now first after Leclerc had an engine problem in the previous race and had to retire. Okay, so there is some suspense, right? It's not like there is an obvious winner and there is actually a fight, eh? Alright, so everybody is in their own spot, it seems like. Is it a coincidence? Okay. But today Verstappen made only to the 4th place behind his teammate Perez. Ooh. He's not in a good state, maybe. No, what are you doing? Where are you going? No. Years ago it was clear Red Bull dominance and then Mercedes. Yeah, it's always when there is no competition, it's a little bit more boring, right? It's better when there is actually a fight. All right, so something doesn't work. Clearly something doesn't work. That's too bad. Oh, it's because I never check for the I never check yeah, I'm doing a random thing, but I never check the if it's valid or not. If it's how should I do that? Yeah, it have been it used to be when you get the pole position, you start first and you arrive first without fighting anyone. Yeah, that's kind of boring to watch, you know? No? When it's all decided at the very beginning. Okay, so how should I check this? So if okay, here's the process I have. So I'm gonna make a random check into my array of activities. If I find one that wait a minute, maybe I should actually, I'm already checking. Yeah, you just watch the slower guys trying to overlap the for the 10th place. Overtake for the 10th place. Yeah. So is it the first season that we have a fight now in Formula 1, or it was already the interesting the last season? Like is it something, because I feel like we are talking more about, I have the feeling that we are talking more about Formula 1 this year than we did last year. I don't know, I feel like in the media it's more present this year. Like I never heard about Charles Leclerc before this year, you know. Obviously, I'm not someone that's following the Formula One, but at least this year I heard his name, which I didn't the previous one. So actually, let's do this. So if okay, we're gonna let's do this the smart way. So we're gonna do local activity, and we're gonna do create an no wait. And we're gonna create another array that's gonna be local available activity. So, activities. That's gonna be in activities. This one, and it's gonna be an array too. So we're gonna say if actually we won't even need this one, we're gonna do it differently. So if we if it's not fully occupied, we're gonna add the current activity to a new array. And so at the end we can just check if the length of the array is greater than 0, and if it is, so that's mean we found an available activity. And then we can just do a random into the available activity instead of the way I've been doing this previously. So okay, so let's start this. So then after that, we're gonna have to find a way to determine what we do if there is no spot available. The previous season had some interesting moment, like when Verstappen trying to overtake Hamilton in Monza, just jumped over. Whoa. Yeah, Leclerc the last season finished behind his teammate Sainz with Ferrari, but they had a mediocre car. They were fighting with McLaren and Alpine Renault. And now, wait, so Leclerc, which is the, wait a minute, oh fuck, man. So what's the team for Leclerc this season? Is it Ferrari? They changed the rule for this 2022. The cars are built different. Ah, okay. But Leclerc is still in the same team. Okay, right. Then. Good for Ferrari then, eh? Okay, why is the task, this one, set activity? So something's not right. Yeah, it's the first seat for Ferrari. Nice. Ah, because I put that on shoe. Damn, it should be on force. Obviously. Alright, welcome sir. Have a room. Alright, so get the fuck out. Hello sir. Here's your room. Get the fuck out. And hello, sir. Here's your room. All right, let's see if he's going. Nice. All right, let's try again to see if it wasn't just a luck. Hello, sir. Go away. I think that Leclerc comes from the Ferrari Academy, so he was meant to drive for them in the future. Oh, so you mean like there is a contract in the if you go into the Ferrari Academy, you have to drive for Ferrari? Either like a exclusivity contract? Nice! I think it is working. I'm even sure it is working. Nice. Cool. Not for everyone. Okay. Ah, good. Alright, so I still have half an hour, so what could I do during this half an hour? So I could make alright, so I could make a setup where after a random period of time they could change the spot. So like there would be always wandering in, so like there could be another spot here. Actually, I think there is no, not this one. I think there is something that I could. Yeah, the guest. You're right. Yeah, so that's what I was looking for. I don't. So. I want you to be right inside, like this. I just checked because I wasn't sure. Perez, the Red Bull driver, come from the same academy. Oh, so now, so you're not. There is no exclusivity contract then with Ferrari when you're going to the Ferrari Academy. Well, it's a little bit like me. I did the campus Ubisoft here in Montreal, but never went to Ubisoft. So I'm guessing that's the the same principle, right? All right, so we let's try this. We got 4 wandering spots, but we got 3. But we got 3 guests. So. Okay, I'm gonna put another one, maybe another wandering spot. Then it's hard to select, eh? They teach you how to drive, maybe the other teams saw a possible candidate in him. Yeah, I guess so, eh? Now the good thing is I can put as much wandering spot as I want, and I always try to find one. So now what I could do is there's the Lance Troll too, but he's got his seat because of his father money more than his skill. Okay. Lance Troll, what is his nationality? Is he a Canadian? Because I feel like his name is ringing me something. Canadian. All right. Yeah. Okay. So that's why his name. I knew his name. Yeah. So he is Canadian. He is Canadian, but he's here for the because of the money, not because of the skill. Then. All right. So let's do. Should I approach this? So the So here's the thing, all right. So we register the guest and we'll put a delay, or maybe for now we're just gonna put 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, we're gonna complete activity completed. So what the activity completed does? Guest. Yeah, he sometimes can drive. It's not that bad, but he got the seat because his father owned the Force India F1 team. Yeah, it helps a little bit to have a seat. I can see how it could be in his favor. Yeah, if your father owned an equerry, yeah. It's easy, right? To be a F1 pilot. Just ask your father to buy a F1 team. That's it. So when the activity is completed, I call this task completed. But I'm keeping the, alright, so it should be, let's try this, alright. Just like this, we should have the character Alright, so let's send everybody to a wandering spot. So I want to check. So after 5 seconds, one is gonna reach the spot. After 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's going to another spot. Nice. That's cool. Nice, I like that. That was easy to set up. It's like that meme of the welfare guy who told his father that his friends come to school in train. I don't know this meme. This meme. That's cool, that's cool, that's cool, right. Actually, the way I want to do this is Because now one of the issue is that 2 of the guests can choose the same spot if the first one didn't reach it yet. So maybe I'm gonna create something that's so here, let me check what we got here. We got begin play, reach location, activity completed. And I'm gonna create a custom event. And I'm gonna say activity reserved. So the father just bought him a train so he would stop embarrassing his family. Yeah, typical. Guest, VP guest. Cool. Okay. And I'm gonna, here's the thing, I'm also gonna edit this one. I'm gonna add a variable which is gonna be reserve spot. Gonna be a boolean, and by default it's gonna be false. But if I want it to I'm gonna do right away. I'm gonna do a register guest. Gonna make a wait. If it's true, and if we want to reserve a spot, and for the guest it's gonna be cast VP guest. No. So we're gonna register the guest, but yeah, I just want to check if it already exists into the active guest. So fine. The index of the if, or okay, so if this is equal to -1, so that's meaning we didn't find any actor, so we can continue on. We can keep registering. So now we should be even better. No, I forgot to do the set room activity. I want to, no, here, go to wandering spot, I want to... No, wait, set... yeah, I need to expose the variable. And then... Yeah, alright, reserve the spot, it's true. Save. Cool, hello. Go away, thank you. Next. Ah, fuck, I broke something. Something is broken. Because this guy is trying to check in, but the activity, he can't find any activity. Why? Wait. Which one? Huh. I'ma take you on the ride. Prepare for the journey through these lines I describe. I suffocate the beat with the words I apply. Our two words collide. I fly like a bird in the open sky. The lines that I use to form this rhyme. Could be, but I don't know why I can't even. Like, we are looking at the guest C2. So we want in guest 2. So it doesn't even execute the Wait a minute. Let me try again. With several different repetitions of metaphors, I settle competition without a score. I rap, explore different terrains without strange planes or automobile. I'm honestly ill with astonishing skill. Scribbling words to these papers get filled. Press play and I will. Oh, you're coming. Ah, that was because it was. Huh. Okay. I think it's because it was stuck. No, because this one doesn't come anyway. Do you change spot like after 5 seconds? Yeah, you do. Where is the other guy? I lost the other guy. Where he is? Wait, what? Okay, so there's one. Oh, here the other guy. So they are chilling, eh? Okay, so there is. It seems like one is skipping one for some reason. Is it always like this? I push the guy. Huh, that's weird. Hey, why it switched? Huh. You see, he's just alright. So there is a lot of stuff to fix yet, but I think I'm gonna end here. I'm a little bit tired today, but yeah, it was a fun one, eh? It's always fun to work a little bit on AI. But yeah, I'm gonna stop there. Sorry guys. Anyway, it's almost like 2 hours I've been streaming, so it's a good time to stop. Alright guys, thank you everybody for being there, for following the stream. Wish everybody a good day, good night, depending on when or where you're watching this video. And I hope you'll be there for the next one. Thank you guys.